Hello, everyone. So, the wait is finally over. That's right, the SSC Head Constable 2025 answer key is officially out. I know that post-exam suspense can be a real killer, so let's not waste any time and dive right in to figure out how you can check your score.
You know that feeling right after an exam? The biggest tension is always about the score, isn't it? But hey, don't you worry. Welcome to my channel. I'm Aishi Agarwal, and together we're going to break everything down step by step, nice and easy. So, you ready? Let's get started.
Okay, first things first. Before we even think about calculating your score, it's super important that you understand what these two documents, the answer key and the response sheet, actually are. We're going to start from absolute zero, right from the basics, so that nobody gets confused.
Now, the key word here, the one you really need to pay attention to, is tentative. See, these are the official answers that SSC has provided, but, and this is a big but, they aren't final. Tentative just means they're provisional for now. You can check them, and if you find an answer that you think is wrong, you can actually challenge it.
And your response sheet? Well, think of it as your personal question paper from the exam day. It has all the answers that you marked during the computer-based exam. So what you get is your paper and the official answers, side by side. It's really the clearest way to see exactly how you performed.
So understanding this difference is absolutely crucial. The tentative key comes out first, right? That's for you to check and raise challenges. Then, after SSC reviews every single challenge, they release the final answer key. And this is so important. Your final actual score is based only on that final answer key. Once that's out, there are no more changes.
All right, now that we've got the basics covered, let's get to the part you've been waiting for. I'm going to walk you through, step by step, exactly how to access your answer key and your response sheet.
The process is actually pretty straightforward. First, you're going to head over to SSC's official website, which is ssc.gov.in. Once you're there, look for the Answer Key tab and click on it. Then just use your registration number and password to log in. And here's the most important step of all. Download and save both documents right away. Trust me, they won't be available later on.
So what happens if you're going through the key and you're absolutely sure that an answer provided by SSC is incorrect? Well, the good news is you have the power to challenge it. Let's look at the exact process for doing that.
To challenge an answer, you'll log into the very same portal. From there, you need to select the specific question ID for the question you want to challenge. Next, you'll submit what you believe is the correct answer, along with a proper justification. And finally, you'll have to pay a small fee to get your challenge officially registered.
Now listen up, because you need to be very, very careful here. Yaha SSC trap lagata hai. This fee isn't a one-time thing for all your challenges. You have to pay separately for each and every single question you want to challenge. So, you've got to be 100% sure before you decide to raise an objection.
And here's another really important point. This one's straight from the official SSC notice. It's possible that the order of questions on your response sheet might be different from the order on the challenge portal. Don't panic when you see this. It's totally normal. Just make sure you are matching the question ID, not the question number. Got it?
Okay, let's quickly run through the most critical information, the stuff you absolutely cannot afford to miss. We're talking about the dates, the fees, and the rules.
Okay, get your calendars out and mark these dates. The window to submit your challenges is really short. It opens on the 5th of February at 6 p.m. and it shuts down sharp on the 7th of February at 6 p.m. The official notice is very clear. No requests will be accepted after this time under any circumstances.
And here's that fee we were just talking about. It's 50 rupees per question or answer that you challenge. And remember, this is non-refundable. So please, be absolutely certain before you make that payment.
Please remember these 3 golden rules. Rule number 1, all challenges have to be submitted online through the portal. Number 2, if you try to send them through post or email, they'll just be rejected. And number 3, that deadline, 7th February, 6 p.m., is absolute. There are no exceptions.
So you've got all the information now. What's next? Well, here's your final action plan. Think of this as my personal advice to you, your game plan for the next 48 hours.
Okay, here's my advice. First, and this is the most important thing, download and save your response sheet and answer key right now. Second, go through and match your answers really carefully. Third, and this is a classic mistake, do not wait until the last hour to submit a challenge. The servers can get super busy and even crash. And finally, always double-check the question ID, not the serial number, before you hit that challenge button.
So what's the verdict? Have you calculated your score yet?
I am genuinely curious to know how you all did. Please let me know your estimated score down in the comments below. It'll be great to see where the competition is at.
And hey, if you found this helpful, could you please take a quick moment to hit that like button and maybe share it with friends who also took the exam. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more updates and strategies just like this. For all the PDFs, including a copy of the official notice, and for the absolute fastest updates, make sure you join our Telegram channel. The link for that is right there in the description box for you.
Make sure you subscribe and ring that little bell icon so you never miss out on any important videos for your exam prep. Next video के लिए channel पे बने रहिए.